Welcome to this basic HTML tutorial prepared by AC3's computer classes. We will be discussing HTML, which stands for HyperText Markup Language. HTML was created by Tim Berners-Lee in 1991. HTML is a markup language used to structure web pages. HTML is the standard language for creating and designing web pages, providing the basic structure. This structure is enhanced using CSS and made interactive with JavaScript. HTML is a markup language, not a programming language. It uses tags to define how content like text, images, and links should appear on a web page. HTML was created in 1991 to help scientists share documents over the internet. It has evolved through different versions, with HTML5 being the latest and most widely used. HTML was developed by Tim Berners-Lee in 1991 to facilitate information sharing among scientists. Over time, HTML has seen many versions, with HTML5 being the newest and most popular. HTML stands for HyperText, which is text with links to other pages. Markup refers to using tags to structure content. Language is a system to communicate instructions to a computer. HTML is used for many purposes in web development. These include creating the structure of web pages, displaying content like text and headings, and adding media such as images and videos. HTML uses tags to define elements, which tell the browser how to display content. Most tags have an opening part, like less than tag greater than, and a closing part, like less than / tag greater than. The basic structure of an HTML document includes the doc type declaration and tags like HTML, head, title, and body. The body tag contains all visible content of the web page. Important HTML tags include heading tags, paragraph tags, and link tags. Heading tags range from H1 to H6. The link tag creates hyperlinks. The image tag is used to add images to a web page. List tags, like ordered less than OL greater than and unordered less than UL greater than lists, are used to create structured lists. HTML has developed through different versions. The latest and most widely used version is HTML5, which introduced new elements like audio, video, canvas, and semantic tags. HTML is easy to learn and use, and it is supported by all web browsers. It is a free and open standard that forms the foundation of web development. The advantages of HTML include its ease of learning, universal browser support, and being a free language. It is a basic tool for website creation and becomes powerful when used with CSS and JavaScript. Despite its many uses, HTML has limitations. It cannot create dynamic behavior or perform logical operations alone. It requires CSS for design and JavaScript for interactivity. HTML works with other technologies to build a complete website. HTML provides the structure, CSS handles the design or styling, and JavaScript adds functionality and interactivity. Thank you for watching this video on the basics of HTML. We hope you found this information helpful.